Good morning, dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine at your home. We can continue our third chapter, the Northern Mountains. Okay, we will see that. Yesterday we saw that okay, Northern Mountains and their division means three parts, and after that, importance of the Northern Mountain for India. Now we will see the life in Northern Mountains. There are so many state of India lies in these northern mountains. We can see one by one. Here, a number of states are located in northern mountains. These are Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, and Arunachal Pradesh. One by one, we can see little about these states in detail. First one is Jammu and Kashmir. The state is almost entirely mountainous. Nowadays, the Jammu and Kashmir not regarded as a state; they are the union territory changed by the central government in last year 2019. So, Jammu and Kashmir we will see here. It is very cold in winter. Srinagar is the summer capital, and Jammu is the winter capital of the state. The beautiful Kashmir Valley is the favorite of tourists. It is surrounded by snow-covered mountains and has the lovely Dal and Uller lakes. Means in Jammu Kashmir there are the two lakes. These are very famous in the world for the tourist. Dal Lake and Uller Lake. Dal Lake is very important in winter because water totally freeze and become ice. On that ice, many people play their game. Now another attraction in Jammu Kashmir, houses on the boat are called as houseboats. Means houseboats are the another attraction for the tourist. The houses which built on the boat called as houseboat. These houseboats float on the lake. These are mostly used as a hotel. The small boats are called shikara, are used for boating and as floating shop. You can see one picture in your book, a houseboat on the Dal Lake. Here in this picture you can see a shikara carrying vegetables for the sale and a woman in firan. What is firan we will see here. A traditional loose kurta worn by men and women in the Kashmir that is called as firan. Firan is a kind of cloth and it is especially called as kurta which is worn by the men and women in Jammu Kashmir to keep warm in winters. People in Kashmir keep an earthen pot with burning coal known as kangri beneath or under their firan. Understood? So here two terms. What is firan and what is kangri? Two terms you have to remember and keep in your mind. And it is better you can write in your copy. Next, under this one picture is given a box made up of papier mache. Means we use waste papers to make this. Okay. People of Kashmir make beautiful handcrafts from wood, brass, silver, and paper mache. Saffron is a special crop of the state. Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu, and Ladakhi are the language spoken here. Eid and Shivratri are the main festivals of this state. Okay, sorry, this union territory. Now we will come to the next state, Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh, with its snow-clad mountains, is a very beautiful state. Its capital is Shimla. Means capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. Thousands of tourists visit the hill stations of Shimla, Dalhousie, Kullu, and Manali every year. The main attraction of this state is the toy train, which takes people from Kalka to Shimla is a special attraction. You can see in your book picture toy train taking people from Kalika to Shimla. Means you have to remember which are the special places in Himachal Pradesh. Dalhousie, Kullu and Manali. Okay. The climate of the Himachal Pradesh is ideal for the growth of fruits like apples, cherries, plums, apricots and peaches. The traditional cloth of Oman include tight pajama and loose kurta with scarves around their head. The men wear tight pajama and loose shirt with colorful caps. So these are the climate and apples grown in Himachal Pradesh and traditional cloth of men and women. In this slide, you can see the people of Himachal Pradesh how they were wearing their traditional cloth. Okay, Hindi is the official language of the state, but people mostly speak in Pahari. The main festival are Dashera and Diwali. The Dashera celebration of Kullu are famous. Another state we can see here, Uttarakhand. In short, it is called UK. This is recently formed hill state, contains the Garhwal and Kumaon ranges. These are the mountain range. Garhwal and Kumaon. Dehradun is the capital of this state. Mussoorie is Garhwal, Mussoorie in Garhwal and Nainital in Kumaon. Please keep in your mind Mussoorie, name of hill station. It is located in Garhwal mountain range. Nainital in Kumaon mountain range are the important hill stations. The slopes are covered with thick forest of pine, oak, deodar and fir trees. Keep in your mind the name of these trees which grown in Uttarakhand. Pine, oak, deodar and fir. They are home to a variety of birds and animals. Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath, and Kedarnath are the important places of religious and tourist interest in the Uttarakhand. One picture of temple is given in your book. Another state, Sikkim. Gangtok is the capital of this small state. Kanchenjunga in the Sikkim is the third highest mountain peak in the world. Very important sentence you can write in your copy for your exams. The state is famous for its orchids. Orchids a kind of flower. You can see the picture of orchid in your book. Most of the people here belong to the Lepcha, Bhutia or Nepali tribes. These are the name of tribes Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepali. Three tribes name given. Keep write in your notebook. The women of the state traditionally wear long skirt called baku. Write down about the baku also. What is baku? Baku is a traditional cloth of women of Sikkim and colorful jewelry made from the beads. You can see the picture traditional dress of Bhutias of Sikkim. Another you can see the tribes name Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepali. Okay. Another state, West Bengal. The northern mountains are confined to the northern part of this state. Darjeeling is the hill station situated in the northern part of West Bengal. It is famous for the tea grown on the slopes of the hills. Darjeeling is the place where tea growing. Picking of tea leaves in Darjeeling, you can see the picture here in your book. One omen of this picture we will see another slide. Now we can see the northeastern states. Towards the east, the Himalayan range run across the seven states of India, which are here: Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram. Please write down these name of seven states, and these are collectively called as the seven sisters. of the India. Okay, the most of Arunachal Pradesh is covered by mountains. The Brahmaputra River enters India through this state. Its capital is Itanagar, the first state of northeastern state in Arunachal Pradesh. Its capital is Itanagar. Yesterday we saw that okay, northern mountains and their division means three parts, and after that importance of the northern mountain for India. Now we will see the life in northern mountains. There are so many state of India lies in these northern mountains. We can see one by one. Here, a number of states are located in northern mountains. These are Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, and Arunachal Pradesh. One by one, we can see little about these states in detail. First one is Jammu and Kashmir. The state is almost entirely mountainous. Nowadays, this Jammu and Kashmir not regarded as a state; they are the union territory changed by the central government in last year 2019. So, Jammu and Kashmir we will see here. It is very cold in winter. Srinagar is the summer capital, and Jammu is the winter capital of the state. The beautiful Kashmir Valley is the favorite of tourists. It is surrounded by snow-covered mountains and has the lovely Dal and Uller lakes. Means in Jammu Kashmir there are the two lakes. Now another attraction in Jammu Kashmir, houses on the boat are called as houseboats. Means houseboats are the another attraction for the tourist. The houses which built on the boat called as houseboat. These houseboats, in this slide we can see the another state named Mizoram. Mizoram is situated in the south of the region. Its capital is Aizawl. The main language of the Mizoram is Mizo. Next state Tripura. Tripura is surrounded on three sides by the Bangladesh, and capital of Tripura is Agartala. The people of a state make beautiful things from cane and bamboo. Did you know house in mountain have slope roof so that rain and snow can slide off easily from the roofs? One picture bamboo tray we can see here in our supermarkets also. Okay, thank you. In this way our chapter completed. We can see now the words to remember in next slide. These words to remember you can write in your notebook: deforestation, trai, houseboat, shikara, firan, kangri, baku, and other important terms I remind you during the video. Please um, write in copy those also. Thank you. Have a nice day.